Hello learners, today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 5 inside the atom. We have seen atomic structure and distribution of electrons in shell. So in this session we will focus on the topic atomic number, mass number and electronic configuration. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. In this session, the first module is atomic number, followed by mass number. Lastly, we will move to the next module, electronic configuration of an element. In this session, we will get familiar with vocabulary words like atomic number, mass number, and electronic configuration. Let's look at the term atomic number. Well, as you know, an atom consists of electrons, protons and neutrons. The number of electrons in the outermost shell gives us the valency of the atom. Similarly, the number of protons and neutrons are associated with the atomic number and mass number of the atom. Then, what is atomic number? The total number of protons in the nucleus or the number of electrons in an electrically neutral atom of an atom gives us the atomic number of that atom. It is represented with the letter Z. All the atoms of a particular element have the same number of protons and hence the same atomic number. Atoms of different elements have different atomic numbers. Atomic number and mass number are always whole numbers because they are obtained by counting whole objects, that is protons, neutrons and electrons. For example, in carbon atom, there are 6 electrons and 6 protons. Thus, the atomic number of carbon is equal to number of electrons, that is 6. Whereas, all atoms of oxygen have 8 protons in their nucleus, so its atomic number is 8. Let's look at the difference between two terms. What is mass number? The number of protons and neutrons combine to give us the mass number of an atom. It is represented using the letter A. As both protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus of an atom, they are together called nucleons. For example, an atom of carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Thus, its mass number is 12. The weight of an electron is almost negligible. Thus, the atomic mass of an atom is almost the same as its mass number. For example, an atom of carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Thus, its mass number is 12. For sodium atom, number of protons are 11 and numbers of electrons are 12. So, its mass number is 23. Now, we will see notation of atom. To write the notation of an atom, we need to know the symbol of the element, the atomic number and mass number. The mass number of the atom goes above the symbol and atomic number is written as a subscript. That is, in carbon atom, atomic number is 6, so it is written as subscript, and mass number is 12, so it goes as superscript. Now let's see electronic configuration of element. The shell-wise distribution of electron in an atom of an element is called the electronic configuration of that element. Each electron has a definite energy as per the shell in which it is present. Energy of an electron in the subsequent shell goes on increasing. Energy of an electron in the first shell, that is K shell, is the lowest. The electronic configuration in the numerical form contains number separated by commas. Here the numbers indicate the electron number in the shell with increasing order of energy. For example, the electronic configuration of sodium is 281. It means that the total 11 electrons in sodium are distributed as 2 in K shell, 8 in L shell and 1 in M shell. The electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. It means the total 17 electrons in chlorine are distributed as 2 in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell and 7 electrons in M shell. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. Students got familiar with atomic number, mass number and electronic configuration of elements. This is all for today's session. Thank you.